Hello there Malaysia, this is Gerryko here, and this is a wait a minute production. Today is the 8th of June 2014, it's a Sunday, it's 12:36 PM. So I decided to do a video on this chicken rice, kinda. So thumbnail should be so. This is shit. This is a typical shite. It's hard to operate the camera with just one hand because I have a sling over my hand. So this is would be the thumbnail. I decided to make a video even though this is Taobao. I cannot tell you where this came from, but it looks quite pretty indeed. There's chicken and there's Char Siew there, and the rice is yellow in color. That means there's some ginger put into it. You can call this Hainanese chicken rice. There's cucumber, slices, chicken, burnt or fried chicken, barbecue chicken maybe, yeah. So it comes with an assortment of condiments like this one, the black sauce, which you have to sprinkle all over. They say, shit, I can eat the plastic as well. They say that after you have surgery, don't eat soy sauce and chilies as well, because the black soy sauce is will color your wounds or your stitches, the place dark. You want to make it dark. So that's one of the old wives' tale. Don't know whether it's true or not. And it's, of course they say don't eat the chilies. Reason? I don't know why. But chilies, Hainanese chicken rice without the chilies, which is made from ginger, garlic and whatnot, is kind of like bland. Of course, after you have surgery, try to eat bland food and not to be like me, eating food that has soy sauce and chilies in it. So does it taste as pretty as it looks? Who knows? So it gives you a plastic spoon, but I'm going to use this instead. Wow, the soy sauce is very sweet. I'm sweating. The rice is kind of like glutinous. I don't think I should have put so much soy sauce on it, because it really masks the taste of the rice. The taste of the Char Siew is so-so. It's a bit too, like say, too lean, too dry. I tasted very good Char Siew before, which is moist and soft and sugary, or has been caramelized. That's delicious. This is not one of them. How about the chicken? Hopefully it's going to be moist and nice. Oh, the chicken tastes nice. Much more moist compared to the Char Siew. The cucumber. fresh and crunchy. Good. So this meal is okay. Good for a sick person like me who underwent surgery 2 days ago. Today is Sunday. Had the surgery on Friday. By right, I should be having porridge and whatnot, but I'm having Char Siew chicken rice. What the hell? Oh, never mind. So this is another edition of Food Hunt. Hopefully you like the video. It's okay. This is what you can expect in Malaysia when you take away or tapao from the chicken rice store. So see you in Malaysia and bye bye.